Yeah. What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. I'm Dylan. He's Logan. Today we're playing
Cat.
what the frick?
That was my phone.
Yeah. We're playing
See?
I Am Cat in multiplayer.
Be sure to check out his channel. It's called Dylan Makes Animations.
And
He's making a separate video.
his channel called our channel called Logan and Dylan's Universe.
Dylan, what should we do?
Basketball?
Sure.
Sure.
I gotta remember that this is virtual reality. I almost fell down.
Darn.
I mean, I kind of lost my balance.
No, my ball.
Block!
Miss. My ball.
Where is it going?
Into the great abyss.
Come here.
Can I eat it? No, I want to,
I am climbing through a hoop. Dylan, can I see the ball?
Hold up. Move. I want to slam dunk it.
Bam! Nice slam dunk. Hey!
There it is.
Dylan, you little... Give me the ball.
Look how much. I only.
Hey, thanks for giving me my arm back.
I'm gonna be blocking the goal.
Are you sure? Because I just scored.
You did.
And now I'm stuck. Yep. There we go.
You didn't score. See, it's still 2-0.
Whatever. I'm gonna go back to our cabin and take a nap.
You got the hiccups?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna give them a tour. So, guys, this is where we're living. This is a mirror. Look at me. Yo.
What? You made me sniff your butt earlier.
This is our bedroom.
That's my bed.
Yeah,
My bed.
I'm sleeping up here.
This is your bed.
I'm sleeping up here where it's comfortable. Hey, can you pass me the pillow? Bro. Ah. Got it. Wait. Let go. Bro. Hold up.
It's flying.
I see it. Hold up, Logan. Let go of it. I got it. Let go.
I did.
This is my bed, not yours. Get out of my bed.
Need a hand?
Yeah. Someone's got the hiccups.
So
this is my bed. It's much more comfortable than yours.
Oh yeah? Well, this is my bed. And your bed has a pot on it.
No, it doesn't.
My lamp.
Your bed
This
does.
lamp is worth $200.
It is?
Yes.
You know
It's an antique.
You know what cats do?
No, my lamp!
I'll get it! Never mind.
I'll get it! Oh, hey.
Okay.
Hey.
I wish there were 2 rooms.
Same. So that I could put my antiques wherever I want.
So you're saying You're saying this lamp is your antique?
Yeah,
The one I'm holding right now?
you better not
Better not what? Place it on the windowsill?
be holding it. Or drop it. It's worth $2,000.
Too late. I don't want this pillow.
This part of the ship is now.
Hey, dummy.
What you call me?
A smarty.
Call me a dummy.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. Dylan, make sure your video's not too long. Remember?
I will. How long is it?
I'm fast at climbing up ladders.
You are?
Yeah.
Wow, no you're not. He says he's fast at climbing ladders. I'm fast at everything. I play baseball. I'm stronger.
This is something I like to call a blue shit.
Got a bullseye. This part cannot be blue. Blue is the worst color ever, in my opinion. Red.
What are you talking about?
Nothing. Nothing, mommy.
Don't ever call me mommy.
Oh,
Again.
you're acting like her.
You keep on calling me mommy.
Logan, I'm already up here. Took you forever to get up here to the Ferris wheel.
Yeah, I am practicing my sword.
Eee.
With this incredibly long sword.
No. I can't hear you. No, no, no. Hey, Logan. Over
Hey,
here,
Dale.
behind you. Falling off. I'm captain of the ship. Also, y'all know I would never cut.
The sword is stuck in here.
I'm just a kid. I'm captain of the ship. I know something ain't right. I'll fix it when I'm right. But you,
Poor controller.
is Logan talking to his controller? It's fine. Ah, ah. That throws my PS5 controller all the time. It's not ruined. I know something. Whoa. What button? Of you? Stop pressing my buttons. I'm guarding this button. It's mine. No, no, no. It's mine. I got the coolest part. Not the basketball. Not the basketball. Be quiet. I'm about to catch a birdie. No! Let it get away. But I'm the captain of the ship. What, look? I am cat. We're cats. Yeah. We're making a video. What? What'd he say? Logan, what'd he say?
He asked if we hold balls.
What? Logan, once you get in here, look through the telescope. You'll see me. I think. Why is there a red dot there? Logan, look through the telescope.
Okay, I can hear you clearly now. Can you hear me clearly?
Yep. But Logan, look through the telescope.
I heard you.
Are you gonna do it?
I don't see you. I just see a platform with trees and clouds.
Is it in space?
Yes.
You wanna come up here, baby?
Air!
I give up. Fine, we'll have an all blue ship. Try to go there. No! I'm going to the secret room, Logan. Logan.
I jumped too far.
Logan, I'm going to the secret room. No! I jumped too far.
Oh, that room, that room's tough to get in. Something about that platform.
No, it's not. See? Logan, look. It's easier if you just climb like this. Easy, see? Too far. Darn. You fell, didn't you? Yeah, we're currently under the kitchen. I don't know why they made this room. They just did.
Bro, why is it so tough to get in there?
The show might end soon. The video, whatever. No!
How long is it?
12. For me. For me, it's 12. I started a little late.
Dang, why is that actually so hard?
What?
Getting into that room.
I got it first try, bro. It's so easy.
No, you didn't.
Push. Yeah, I did, see?
You fell first try.
No!
No! I was so close.
I'm the captain.
of this
Shit.
ship.
And I was so... Hey, right. What are you
What are
doing?
you doing?
Trying to get in.
Darn.
You're bad.
You're bad at partner.
Core.
No, I almost got it.
You're bad at
You're bad at partner.
I wanna sing this song. I wanna sing all day. 'Cause you are so beauty. Beautiful.
I did it. I'm under the counter.
Guess what?
What?
No one really cares.
Shut up.
I'm above you.
This is my napping spot. Come in here and get beat up.
Why?
'Cause it's my napping spot.
Or your butt spot.
I'm stuck.
No, you're not.
My napping spot.
I was here first. Guys, this might be the end of the video, so make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the
Dylan, I can't hear you.